Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you how to get the new Bing from Microsoft, which is an AI-powered answer engine just like ChatGPT. You can ask different questions, you can ask him to write code, you can ask him to translate different script in different languages, you can ask him to write mathematical equations. Let me show you an example by asking some questions. You can ask questions just like you are having a conversation with someone. Like, what is internet? I can ask him to write the hello world code in PHP. Please write code to print hello world in PHP. The answer of my question, what is internet, is generated. Now the answer to the next question is coming to me. Let's ask another question. Please also write it in JavaScript. In the following question, I forgot to write hello world. If remember the context, we are having conversation, so it get idea from above conversation. It generates the hello world printing script for me. So it proved that you can ask questions like having a conversation. Now the question is, how do I get the new Bing? To get access to the new Bing, you must have a Microsoft account. If you do not have, you can create one. Let me show you how to get access to the new Bing from your Microsoft account. Go to bing.com, and your account must be logged in here. Then you can see the option of chat. Click on Chat. Once you click on Chat, the Microsoft Bing search engine is open, and you see the following pop-up appear on your window. Here you can see the option to join the waitlist. You can click on Join the waitlist. Once you click on Join the waitlist, you got the email from Microsoft Bing in which it was mentioned that you would get an email once we were ready for you to try it. Once you got access, they send you another email. Let me show you the email that I got after getting the approval. I got the email on Monday that I could use the new Microsoft AI-powered search engine. You are welcome to the new Bing. We're excited to give you access to an early preview of the new Bing, your AI-powered clipboard for the web. So once you get approval, you can use the new Bing only on the Microsoft Edge browser. You cannot use it in Mozilla, Chrome, or any other browser. It can only be opened in the Microsoft Edge browser. So you must have the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. You'll need the same email you used to get on the wait list. Log in through your same email into your Edge browser, then you can get access. You can search different questions in the search bar of the Bing search engine where it is mentioned. Ask me anything. Once you go to the search bar, you can click on Chat or Ask Anything, and the Bing AI-powered search engine will appear. That's it for today's video. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.